The universe is not silent. It hums with the echoes of creation, the whispers of dying stars, and something else. For as long as we have been listening, humanity has pointed its instruments toward the void, hoping to hear a voice answer back. But what if the answers we receive are not the ones we expect? What if the static holds patterns that defy our understanding? These are the transmissions from the unknown, the whispers from the dark. These are the top 5 strange signals detected from deep space. Number 5. The Lorimer Burst. In 2007, astronomer Duncan Lorimer and his student were sifting through archival data from the Parkes Observatory. They were looking for pulsars, the steady, rhythmic beacons of the cosmos. Instead, they found something that shattered all expectations, a single, brilliant flash of radio energy lasting just 5 milliseconds, but releasing more energy than our sun does in a month. It was traced to a distant galaxy, 3 billion light-years away. But what could produce such a cataclysmic, yet fleeting event? Theories ranged from colliding neutron stars to evaporating black holes. The burst, now named FRB 724, was the first of its kind, a ghost in the machine, a momentary shout across the universe that opened up a new field of astronomy, leaving us with far more questions than answers. Number 4. The radio source, SHGB02+4a. In 2003, the SETI Home Project, a massive public computing effort to search for extraterrestrial intelligence, flagged a signal of particular interest. It was a faint, narrow-band radio whisper originating from a direction between the constellations Pisces and Aries. The source, designated SHGB02+4a, exhibited characteristics that made it a compelling candidate. It was observed on 3 separate occasions, drifting in frequency at a rate that could suggest it was coming from a rotating planet. The frequency itself, 1420 MHz, is the same frequency at which neutral hydrogen naturally radiates, a band often called the waterhole by astronomers, who theorize it's a logical choice for interstellar communication. The signal was never detected again, despite repeated observations. Was it a glitch, a natural phenomenon we don't yet understand, or a missed call from across the stars? Number 2. The WOW signal. On August 15, 1977, the Big Ear Radio Telescope at Ohio State University was scanning the heavens. It picked up an extraordinary burst of radio waves from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. The signal was so powerful, so distinct from the background noise, that astronomer Jerry Amon, upon reviewing the data printout, circled the corresponding characters and wrote a single word in the margin: "Wow." The transmission lasted for 72 seconds, perfectly matching the expected signature of a signal from deep space. It was narrow-band and powerful, exactly what we'd expect from an artificial beacon. Despite decades of searching, astronomers have never been able to find it again. No repeat performance, no explanation. Just a 72-second whisper that remains the strongest candidate for an extraterrestrial broadcast ever detected. A singular, enigmatic monument in the search for others. Number 1. Fast radio. Burst 2022-0610A. Fast radio bursts, or FRBs, are no longer anomalies. We've detected hundreds. But one, discovered in 2022, stands apart. FRB 2022-0610A is not just a one-off burst. It repeats, and not randomly. It flashes with the clockwork precision of a heartbeat. Like a cosmic metronome, it sends out pulses every 0.2 seconds in a clear periodic pattern. This is unlike any other repeating FRB ever found. While the leading natural explanation points to a magnetar, a highly magnetized neutron star, the pattern is so regular, so strangely rhythmic, it feels engineered. It forces us to confront an unsettling possibility. What if we are not just listening to the random noise of the universe, but to a steady, intentional pulse? A beacon, a clock, or something far stranger ticking away in the cosmic dark. From fleeting whispers to rhythmic pulses, these signals are the universe's unresolved mysteries. They are anomalies in the data, ghosts in the static, that challenge our place in the cosmos. Each one is a reminder that the truth is not always found in the answers we seek, but in the questions that remain. The deeper we listen, the more we realize the silence is full of voices. We just haven't learned the language yet.